Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to pass the TestGorilla assessment. First, understand that TestGorilla assessments are designed to measure your real skills and abilities. The questions focus on how well you can solve problems, complete job-related tasks, and make decisions in realistic workplace situations. Before taking the assessment, carefully read the job description and identify the key skills required for the role. This will help you understand what areas are likely to be tested. Make sure you know the format of the assessment. TestGorilla assessments can include role-specific skills tests, cognitive ability tests, language tests, personality and culture tests, and situational judgment tests. For role-specific tests, spend time practicing the skills directly related to the position. For example, if you are applying for a marketing role, review marketing concepts and data analysis. If you are applying for a technical role, practice relevant technical skills and tools. For cognitive ability tests, practice problem-solving exercises, logical reasoning questions, pattern recognition tasks, and basic numerical reasoning. These tests often measure how quickly and accurately you can think under pressure. For language tests, review grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and written communication skills. Read carefully and avoid rushing through the questions. For personality and culture tests, answer honestly. These assessments are designed to understand your work style and preferences, so trying to guess the correct answer may not help. For situational judgment tests, read each scenario carefully and choose the response that demonstrates professionalism, good judgment, teamwork, and effective problem solving. Before starting the assessment, find a quiet place where you will not be interrupted. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that your computer or device is working properly. Get a good night's sleep before the test, and make sure you are focused and alert when you begin. During the assessment, read every question carefully before answering. Pay attention to instructions and manage your time wisely. If a question seems difficult, stay calm and do your best rather than spending too much time on a single item. Avoid searching for answers online during the assessment. TestGorilla is designed to evaluate your actual abilities, and many assessments include measures to detect unusual behavior. Once you complete the assessment, review your answers if time allows and then submit your results. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.